Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a good morning. Because it's pretty early for me over here. Yo, everything remix. What's going on, man? How's it going? There's a delay, by the way. I forgot to set the delay to lower. Thanks, appreciate it. Everything remix. It's 5:30 a.m. right now. V12 tutorials are helping me a lot. What are there are not a lot of those? Well, I'm glad they're helping you out, dude. I streamed yesterday at 5 p.m. and now I'm streaming at 5 a.m. Amazing. Yeah, I'm just doing an early stream. Cause I don't know. Just bored. $11:30. You're probably in what, Central Europe? Maybe. Yo, what's up, Carl? Yo, Anil, what's up, man? I'm doing good, Carl. Thanks for asking. Just got up. Yeah, you're right. I haven't even made my coffee yet. I actually woke up late. I was supposed to get up at 4 a.m. I got up at 5 a.m. So I'm pretty disgusted at myself for not for oversleeping. Oversleeping, that's early. It's 5:33 a.m. Free leaks, damn. Yeah, it'd be like that. No, not yet. I went to sleep last night. I'll look at it later though. Whoa. All right. I'm not gonna worry too much about this right now. We'll leave it the way it is. But I know a better way to do this. Probably gonna do it inside the guild create method or guild create event. But we can worry about that later. I want to worry about something else. Yo, Slime 114, what's up? How are you doing? 11:34. Where are you guys? Central Europe? That's 6 hours ahead. All right. So how am I going to handle? Oh, wait, I forgot we have to get all the channels. That's right. We have to get all the channels. So, let's see. Yep, right over here. Did I set the channels yet? I don't think I did. Excuse me. I'm so freaking tired. Germany, nice. 15:05. Damn, 3 p.m. I'm doing good, Slime. Thanks for asking. 12:35. Well, I'm still lucky I get to enjoy my morning. Yo, Ate Perez, what's going on, dude? How are you? Yo, Cos Patop, man. What's going on? Oh, hey, 6:30 a.m. Yo, what's going on, Phoenix? I'm on that early morning grind, so I don't know, maybe I might stream in the morning more than I will stream in the nighttime, because I don't feel freaking dead in the nighttime. Oh, excuse me. Yo, Moritz, what's up? Okay. Let's channels. I want to go through every single channel and then set the ID. So we can do something like for const.c of channels. Let's see, channels map.set c.id, and we're gonna need a channel model. So you should listen to some lo-fi while programming. I mean, I would, but I'm probably gonna get copyrighted. Oh yeah, this is normal for me, but I just decided I wanted to stream at this time because a lot of people, I've gotten a lot of feedback, and a lot of people seem to be more in the later times. So I do a stream in the morning, and maybe I'll do a stream in the nighttime. We'll see what happens. But this is gonna be like a short stream though. Like I'm probably gonna stream until like 8 a.m. and then I'm gonna get off. So, but in the nighttime though, I can stream for. Or like on weekends, I can stream much longer though. I did not know you could set a rate limit per user for guild channels. That's interesting. By the way, Anson, thank you for all the tutorials you made. I started learning JavaScript about 2 weeks ago, and they really help a lot. Thanks. Yeah, no problem, dude. I hope you continue to learn more. By the way, in case you guys are wondering, I'm just referencing all of these fields for the channel that is from the Discord API. So I think there's a lot more. There are probably a lot more. Let me see something real quick. There's definitely a lot more properties that I need to go and get, but I'm not sure. Let me check something real quick. Oh, nope. Seems like this is it. Let's see. Get channel. Is this all of it, I think? Seems like it. Type, topic, guild ID, bitrate. Seems like it. The recipient of the DM. I'm in online class. LOL and just watching Anson. That's dope, dude. When the raid line fixed on Deno TS. I'm at school right now, 11:42 a.m. Can we get WebSocket tutorial for JS? Yeah, sure. I think that'd be a good project too. Okay, I think yeah, that should be it for all the properties. So, excuse me. C dot. Type C dot name, C dot position, C dot parent ID, C dot topic, C dot guild, C dot Oh, whoops, guild ID. Lithuania, nice. Actually, you know what it is? I need to actually do this. I need to put the channels down here. The reason why is because guild depends on well, channels depend on guild. So instead of guild ID, because if you look at the Discord JS documentation, like I said, we're taking a lot of inspiration from them. If you look at the documentation and if you click on guild channel, you don't see well, you see ID, but that's the ID of the channel. But you don't see a property called guild ID. Instead, you'll see a property called guild, and that should be the guild object. Okay, so that's what we're gonna want to do. Tana's getting cool. Hey man, it's getting there. What do I want now? What do you mean? So now right over here, instead of c.guildid, we're just going to pass in a new guild, just like that. Okay, and let's see. We need to add a property in guild. So down here, this is where we're gonna have to do this. Private. And then down here, we will do public get channels. This is going to return a map of all guild channels. And return this channels. And that way, I can now go over here and reference new guild channels dot sets. Hold on. I just realized something. I don't think I need to set in the map then. I could probably just do this. Yeah, I think I could just do this then. So it's going to go through every single channel. It's going to reference new guild channels set. And I think that should be good. Tana's gonna go. Someone on the stream didn't like. Wonder who it could be. Okay, let's see. I think this should be fine. And then we can set the guild, and let's see how long that takes. Okay, let's run our code. 1,025 milliseconds. Damn. That is so freaking long. That is slow. That is ridiculously slow. Imagine if the bot is in so many different guilds. Okay. Watch this. Okay, I'm gonna have my my bot that is in 60 guilds. I want to see if this can handle all 60 of my guilds. Give me 1 sec. I'm gonna get my bot token real quick for Cinderace. And let's see how long. that is going to take to load. 62 Guildston. Okay. Give me 1 sec. Okay, saving. Bro, wait, whoa, hold on. I'm just trying to look for the milliseconds. I think I missed it somewhere. Give me 1 sec. This is why I need to fix this at some point, so that way it does not have a slow startup time. But here's the thing, though, you have a slow startup time, it might be good. Well, no, it's not good, but in the cost of caching everything in the beginning, that's what I mean. I'm not saying that, you know, having a slow program is good, but if you have everything started up and you cache everything, it's gonna benefit the user because they're gonna have to make less API calls, and they can just reference everything that's in the cache that's in memory. But that also makes your program use up a lot more data, or I mean a lot more memory usage. So that's not good. All right, let's see. All right, hopefully this isn't spam. Just trying to look at the let's see. Bro. Everyone, can you look at everyone that liked? I can't check who. I can't check, unfortunately. Kid Depressed, what's up? I'm from Chile, nice, man. Discord Deno, yeah. Chris Poindexter. Bro, what the hell is this startup time? Look at this. It took 11 seconds for our bot to actually log in. Well, okay, look. The bot actually logged in way ahead, okay? But it's just that fetching everything and firing the ready event, that's when it actually, you know, became a problem. So I think, let's see. If it takes 11 seconds, I think we need to kind of like set a delay somewhere. I think we need to, because you can see how all of these other events were firing. Like, see how all of these events were firing? I think at some point in our program, what we need to do is for example, this guild create event. What we need to do is we need to make it so that it's going to check the client's status and then see if it's actually ready. Like, see if the ready event has been emitted. So we're gonna need a field somewhere. Anton, do you know any premium API servers in which I could buy an API like YouTube data without limits? There's a lot. I'm not sure of every single one of them, but I know a few. Most of them are like, yeah, I'm not sure. Like, off the top of my head, I wouldn't be able to tell you, but you can just Google some, and I'm sure there are a whole bunch that you can find. Give me 1 sec. Let me move this over here. Yeah, there are. Trust me, everyone's trying to make it. To be honest, I'm just making this for fun. I'm not really trying to compete with anyone, but I'm also trying to use this for myself too, so yeah. But it also depends on, you know, the more support a library has, that means it's more likely to succeed because you have more contributors. So if you have more contributors, that means it's less likely that your API, your library is going to die. Alright, sorry about that. I had to just restart my bot on my server. Seems like I have an invalid token, which is unfortunate. There we go, my bot's on. Amazing. Okay, great. Just paid my delegate server. I would love to, right, Deno. I mean, that's kind of specific, though. I mean, you could technically do that in any language. It doesn't make Deno any difference. You shouldn't think of Deno. You shouldn't think of Deno as like something like, you know, alright, I think let's see. There's a lot of consideration for this library. So we're gonna take precaution. I know, I see it as something you improved, modern. Maybe, yeah. Anton, are you gonna make a tutorial for a bot that can show events on a team up calendar? That seems very specific. I don't even know what team up is. Let's look at what team up is. See, this is a good example on why everyone should learn how to make their own bot. Because not every single bot has everything that you want. And let's say, for example, if you have a team, there's probably like some kind of premium service that you're using that you want to provide some kind of integration. So being able to create your own Discord bot would benefit you a lot. There's probably an API. I've never used Team Up before, but doesn't seem super complicated. API access must be done over TLS SSL. API must include API key. Okay, that's pretty fair. Vlad bots. Here's my suggestion. If you know how APIs work, it shouldn't be too complicated to translate it over because almost every API works the same way. But excuse me. But if you don't know what APIs are, if you don't know how they work, maybe I would suggest learning how APIs work first and then working with like some simple APIs. Like for example, a simple API to work with, Open Weather Map, easiest API you can ever use. Like easiest API anyone can ever use. And yeah, no thanks. So you could use this API and play around with it and see how it works. Mad Cop, what's going on? How are you? Okay. Let me just get my bot token again. Give me 1 sec. Oh, excuse me. I'm glad to hear that. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Let me write down these issues somewhere so I don't forget them later on. There's one thing to know about these issues, but we gotta write them down so we are aware of what's going on. To do. Alright, let's see. So that issue that I brought up with this, what's it called? Because you guys saw that it took 11 seconds for the bot to log in. I don't know if you guys saw that earlier, but our bot was in 62 guilds. Okay? Which means that it needs to go through this whole API call, fetch every single guild, fetch every single channel, and that took 11 seconds, which is ridiculously slow. Anson, what kind of coffee do I drink? I don't have any preference. I just drink any coffee, to be honest with you. But I mean, the standard black coffee, I guess. Not really a picky person when it comes to food, to be honest with you. I really like the utilin Akairo. If someone uses hell, they could just edit their message to help and the bot shows the command. Oh, really? That's cool. Taking advantage of the message update events. You know what? There's actually something called Trello. Let me actually use that instead. I haven't used Trello for so long. I should probably use that. I'll just write this here for now. Let's see. Okay, but this is functional right now. So watch this. Let's go ahead and get my guild channel. So client.guilds.get, and then now we can console log the guild. There we go. Okay, and that's our guild. And now we can do something like const channel equal client, or not client, guild dot channels dot get. Okay, this is something I gotta fix. That is annoying. Not sure why this is giving me this stupid optional chaining crap. Object is possibly undefined. Yeah, no. I gotta figure out how to get rid of that in TypeScript. Yo, Yadibo, what's up? Known as Nazmo, what's up, man? How could I fix this? I know for a fact it's not null, so I don't know why it would say that it's null, even though by default you can see right over here that we have this whole entire thing initialized to a map, so it doesn't really make much sense to me at all. Guild.channels. Doing good, Yadibo, thanks for asking. Yeah, I don't get this error. Give me one sec. Well, that's not an error, it's just like, it's just annoying. Hold on, give me one sec. Making progress, huh? Yeah, lots of progress. Wait, do maps have the property called find? Oh, damn, we need to get our... Dude, we need to get our own collection, man. Yo, I might actually just change this up to a collection instead. Yo, let's write our own collection. Where would I put that? Models? Utils? This structure over here is pretty ugly. I'm gonna have to change it at some point because this is just way too much crap. Because I don't want to have to keep on creating so many folders over and over again. Collection.ts. Let's try to create our own collection. Hold on one sec. I need to get better at generics. Collection extends map. TS generics. Yo, what's up, Marty? How's it going? Yo, John, what's up? How are you? Yo, A, I guess your name is Ahmed. AMAHMD. I don't know. I have no clue. They just all disappeared. All right. Let's see. Okay, so now our channel class is going to need the. Our channel class is going to need the method send. No, it's not. I mean, I would, in order for me to fix it, I'd have to restart the entire stream. So that's. Oh wait, what 11-second delay? Were you talking about the bot? Oh, the login bot? No, that's something I'm not concerned about right now. But what I will have to do is I wrote it down somewhere. What I need to do is I need to set a status on the client, so that way when the ready event is fired, it'll know when the bot can actually go online. But yeah, I think I have a better way on actually tackling this whole fetching thing. So um, I'm gonna experiment a lot with it off stream. Yeah, I just realized. Okay, I know in Discord JS they have a interface where the channel, guild channel, DM channel, and any text channel, it implements an interface which means that you need to uh, override, not override, overload certain methods. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Or maybe, you know what I could do? I could probably do this. What if I did this? Text-based channel. And it had all of these fields. Let me see. Is all of these fields. But it's an abstract class. Now the problem is abstract classes cannot be instantiated. So let's see. Do I know Go? I've worked with it before, but I don't know it enough to actually, well, not currently right now. I've used it like a little bit, but I'm thinking, how could I tackle this? So text-based channel is an abstract class. Guild channel would extend text-based channel. Okay. And so what's my favorite game? I gotta think. Any simulation game, any strategy game, like city building game, I love those kind of games. You're learning Go, nice. Yeah, Go is a nice language. You should learn Rust though. Yeah, favorite game. I mean, if I'm being honest, City Skylines is my favorite game. I have not played that game for so long though. But that is, in fact, my favorite game. Oh, why you should learn Rust? Just cause it's pretty popular right now. There's a good community for Rust. Go is obviously good. There's nothing wrong with Go. But I just think maybe you would like Rust a lot more, maybe in my opinion. Yeah, I like Rust. I've used it briefly. It's really nice. It's super fast. It's safe. Lots of nice things. And now watch, we should... Oh wait, no, this has to be abstract. Okay, so I'm trying to think, how could I implement this, let's see, how could I implement this? This abstract send message. So, it's essentially just an API call. So, I mean, what we could do is we could do public abstract. And return type we could just do as... Well, what should the return type be? It should definitely be a promise. Well, we're gonna change this later on. Skillshare needs to sponsor Anson. Agreed. And it's kind of easy. What, Go or Rust? Okay, so I think send would be a method that Guild Channel implements. And this is where we need to call our API request. Where is it? REST. There we go. Oh boy, we need the token. Nope, that's not good. Huge design problem right now. Huge design problem. The problem right now is I'm trying to get the token inside the guild channel, but I'm not sure how I could do that with this design pattern that I have. So this is a problem that we're facing right now. Trying to see something real quick. I'm gonna check something out real quick. Only one watching. Sad face. No problem. Yeah. I'm gonna get off in like a couple minutes because I'm gonna go get some breakfast. Just wanted to do a short stream so that the people living in the EU or the other side of the world can watch a little bit. I need to wait to get the bot token. You can finally watch the stream now. Yeah, that's what's up. How many programming languages do you feel fluent in? Maybe just 3 or 4, to be honest. No, I'm not AFK. I'm just looking at some documentation right now. I'm trying to figure out how I can approach this problem where I need to make sure when I'm making this API request I have the bot token. The problem is I have create message over here. Okay, now what if I put this in client? How would that affect it? If the client itself had a REST API handler, we would need an instance of it every single time. We can create it once. Yo, Major Amari, what's up? I see. So they're calling it and they're binding it on the instance of clients, so... Uh, Major Mari, I made one already. It's 6:36 for me a.m. 6:36 a.m. right now. Yeah, I'm gonna get off right now. I'm gonna go eat some breakfast and finish with my code. So if you guys want, feel free to chat with me on my Discord. So I'll see you guys later.